Avvo Legal Consultation Booking App. The pros, the cons. The Avvo Legal Consultation Booking App is designed to make connecting with lawyers fast and convenient, but most people get this wrong when they think finding legal advice has to be stressful or expensive. The surprising truth is that you can schedule consultations in minutes, compare attorney ratings, and make informed choices without endless research. One major pro is accessibility. The app allows users to filter attorneys by practice area, location, and client ratings. This makes it easy to find someone with the right expertise for your specific legal issue. You can read reviews, see qualifications, and even book a consultation directly through the app. Another advantage is speed. Scheduling used to involve phone calls and back-and-forth emails, but Avvo streamlines the process. Many consultations can be arranged within 24 hours, which is especially helpful for urgent legal matters like contracts, disputes, or family law issues. However, there are cons. While the app provides access to a wide range of lawyers, not every attorney listed is available at all times, and prices vary widely. Additionally, while ratings and reviews are helpful, they are subjective and may not fully reflect an attorney's competence. Users should always do their own due diligence before committing. In conclusion, the Avvo Legal Consultation Booking App is a powerful tool for anyone needing legal advice quickly and efficiently. It simplifies the search, saves time, and increases transparency in attorney selection. For straightforward or urgent matters, it works brilliantly, but for complex cases, further vetting and research are still essential.